Hi, today we're going to be talking about this product here, the new IJOY Studio XL ring light. This is a 10-inch ring light. I'm going to be unboxing this, setting it up, and powering it up to see how it is. I'm going to be also giving some thoughts about it and also where you might want to go to get this. So before I get started, if you can hit the subscribe button on the bottom right corner. I'm trying to build my subscriber base, that'd be great. And if I've added value with this video for you, please hit the like button. And feel free to leave comments. I definitely love comments, responding to them and reading them. So let's get started. This is the front of it. This is the side of it. And this is the back of it. And this is the other side of it. So let's unpackage this baby. All right. So when you pour it out, you basically get everything here, including a safety notice right here about the 5 volts. So this device can only be charged by 5 volts. Anything over that may cause issues. So just keep that in mind. You get your manual, IJOY XL ring light manual, that tells you about everything you need to know inside, how to use the controller, and how to set it up step by step. So the first thing you get is you're going to get your tripod legs, or you can just say tripod. And these basically expand wide so they can become a base, as you can see right here. They do not fold out, so you can't make it any taller, but you know, it is still nice to have this base here. It's very sturdy, and you know, it's a tabletop ring light. Next thing you get is you're going to get your phone holder and phone holder stand. So this right here is your phone holder, and it says IJOY, as you can see. Right here is your phone holder stand. Sometimes when they come with a lot of these tabletop ring lights, this phone holder stand and this phone holder will be separated. And you'll just basically have to, you know, see that metal piece on here? That's a ball. You just have to loosen this grip here, stick the ball inside, and tighten back the grip, and that's all you need to do. Right here is this piece right here is the piece that's going to be going into the tripod head, which I'm going to be showing you right now. So this piece is the tripod head. Let me go ahead and open this so you get a better picture of it. Tripod head. This opening right here is going to be going into this piece right here. This right here is a pressure gauge, which when you snap it really tight and the pressure is really there, this doesn't move. If you loosen it, then this does move. So you see that right there? See, it goes down. So it allows you to pan and tilt the ring light. So I'm just going to keep it up straight. I'm going to twist this in there. All right, so we have that in there. Next, we are going to grab the main piece, which is the ring light. So this is 10 inches, 26 centimeter ring light. And basically it comes with a line on the bottom that includes a USB for power and a remote control. Now you can plug your USB onto your laptop or any computer device, or you can plug into a wall jack that has a USB for power. The remote control has a red button, which is your power on and off button, has a minus and has a plus right there. Basically the minus and plus is for the increase and decrease of the brightness level. And usually there are 10 brightness levels for each of the 3 modes. The 3 modes, which is this middle one right here, the 1 to 2 lines, that controls the 3 modes. It can allow you to have the white mode, the warm mode, or the cold mode. So let's go ahead and stick this in there. So the ring light is just going to twist it and have it go inside. There's probably other ways to set it up, but I usually set it up like this just from a tutorial perspective, is that it's just much easier to go from piece by piece and then putting it together while I'm presenting it. So I'm going to grab this, the IJOY, your phone stand and your phone stand, or your phone holder stand. I'm going to be sticking it in here and twisting it. See, remember I said the opening screw into the screw issue here. All right, so we have that in there. Now, this is flexible now, this piece right here, the phone holder stand. I'm going to just twist it forward. And I'm going to grab a phone. And of course, they have these sliding holders for the phones, which most of these tabletop ring lights have. And there you go. So your phone's already in there. So let's turn it on. So as you can see, it probably took about 5 minutes to set it up, 6 minutes, give or take. So I already plugged it in. And once you plug it in, you'll notice that your light's gonna light up on the power side. So let's click power. Boom, right there. You see the light? I would say this is probably like a warm light. Let's go through the different modes, which is your button with the 2 lines right there. I would say this is your cold mode, warm mode, actually, and white mode. Warm, white, cold. So let's decrease by 10 brightness levels. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Let's increase by 10, which would be this one here, the plus. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So there you go. As you can see, you can now see the different modes and along with the different brightness levels for each of the modes. So from a safety perspective, I just want to point this out. Whenever you want to unpower this item, just always hit the power while it's still plugged in. Turn it off before you pull the USB cord, just from a safety perspective. So let me go ahead and take this phone out. So you can see a better idea of this. Let's turn this. See, as you can see, the phone holder actually turns too. So you can actually have it vertical or horizontal. Very flexible. So how much is this item? You know, that's one of the big question, right? So this item retails probably for like $25 at big box retailers. You can probably find it for a lower price at your discount retailer, big box or small box, probably like about $14.99 to $15. So that's something to think about. But all in all, just retail wise, probably like $25 to $30 outside. Some of the specifications is that there's 3 light modes, as you can see, adjustable brightness, 10 different brightness levels. Tripod height is about 4.73 inches or 12 centimeters. The ring light diameter is 10 inches or 26 centimeters. It rotates phone holder 360 degrees. Phone holder fits all sizes up to 3.75 inch or 9.5 centimeter. So that's some information there. So I would say you can probably get it like probably at Target. You can probably find some of these at Macy's. Macy's actually has some of these too, the department stores now. You can probably find it at any of the discount retailers too, probably like Ross, Marshalls, TJ Maxx, Home Goods. You can find it there too. So those are all the places where you can get it, and some of the price points that are out there I just reminded everybody of. Would I get this item? What are my thoughts on it? This item is great. I think it's a great beginner type item, just to be able to actually get yourself a ring light and be able to start recording and doing videos or doing cosmetology video tutorials or using it for blogging. I mean, it's just great. I mean, it has the brightness levels there. You know, it's 10 different brightness levels, 3 modes. I mean, you can't go wrong with it. Price point is not bad. It's a great starter item. It's also very versatile. You think about it. if you were to fold this back up and you were just to dump everything without the box, even for this item, into a bag and carry on to an airplane and do a video on an airplane, it's very easy to use something like this because it's less than 5 to 6 minutes to assemble it. And then all you need to do is just plug into USB, which most airplanes have USB ports. So you can actually just power it up and then just do your video. So with your phone, just stick your phone in here. And that's what they are. And so you can actually do live vlogs or blogs. I mean, it's very, very good item to have. It's plastic, it's very lightweight. The ball is metal. As you can see, the ball where the tripod head is. It has a remote control, you know. So everything's there. It's pretty good. I mean, hopefully you guys, those of you that have this, if you can leave some comments on what you think, how you like it, any issues you had with it, just share with the community so everybody, you know, get an idea. If you like this video and I've added some value, definitely hit the like button. And also, if you're going to hit the subscriber button on the bottom right corner, I'm trying to build my subscriber base. Also, I make new videos Monday, Wednesday, and Friday, and I look forward to all of you guys' comments. And then also, if you can continue to view my channel, that'll be great. You guys stay safe and take care. Till next time, guys.